Here at the Seinfeld. Well, they use the outside for.
Yeah.
We have some. What are we having, babe? Peppers?
Peppers. We're having peppers. Here too.
Oh, yeah. Soup for the day. No soup for you?
I have to get the lumberjack breakfast.
I'm getting some breakfast. I've been looking for some breakfast all day. At Tom's, where they did the Seinfeld. I'm having some afternoon lunch. That's why it's so good. So here, having breakfast because we decided to check out Tom's restaurant.
Way better than IHOP.
And it's very well priced and tastes really good.
Fast.
And fast. Yes. So this is what we paid for. $56.50, but being me, I had to get the steak and eggs. So if you normally just get eggs, pancakes, and bacon, it's a lot cheaper. But the food is great, fast, so highly recommend it.